It's your boy Moseefus, the 20 view king, and everything I do get 20 views. And it's the second time around. We doing the second time around on Moseefus, not just music Mondays. We are live on Twitch. Moseefus, the 20 view king on Twitch. I'm gonna put these videos out on YouTube, as I always do. Moseefus on YouTube. $ Moseefus on the Cash App. Moseefus on Patreon if you want to be a collaborator on these lists that we shuffle on Monday and Wednesday. And we be on YouTube doing the live request on Saturday night. Oh, it's nighttime. See, I know it's nighttime because my drink turned black, so I can do this. Boom. Give y'all some outside. Give y'all some. I'll deal with that later. I shouldn't have done that in the middle of the video. That's unprofessional. All right, get this shuffle, man. They added newest. I said they added newest. It's an everyday thing when you let your nuts hang. I added this. Let's go. It's been a lot of Moseefus tonight. It ain't been much of anybody else winning on the next show list. I know I've been doing my thing. All right, so this is Bone Thugs and Harmony Everyday Thing. Produced by DJ Unique, man. He's the only person that should ever produce a Bone Thugs and Harmony. He should have no Swiss beats. Nobody else ever produces one. Only Unique, yo. Only Unique. Like, it don't sound right without Unique. This is from the show soundtrack. I think not Shoot 'Em Up. What else was on this? Yeah, I think it was Shoot 'Em Up. Yeah, Shoot 'Em Up is on this soundtrack as well. All right, check this one out. It's an everyday thing when you let your nuts hang. They thought you brought the gang and remain the same. If I may not sing, it's so poppin', it's so poppin'. Thugs, with a ballin', body back, thugs. Niggas deal when I'm mad, not thugs. Got a funk slugs, fuck busters, cause I never did love ya. Nigga, my niggas will break your neck. Nigga try to disrespect. Nothing but killers and truths like Rosewick will cut ya. So fuck ya. East 99 is where you find it. Chillin', but nigga, what's up? Nigga wanna get butt, nigga wanna get drunk. Nigga wanna get fucked up. Put him in the trunk. But they fall out to the pavement. Big bang. Lovely. I don't remember the words. I love the song though. We done the bang, the bang. You take it up in the gang, it remain the same. But the guy can't take it so poppin'. Bust a left, we hit the liquor store. If a big ball, bust a left, we hit the liquor store. Yo, Busy killed this shit. So, Lazy is the one in Bone that's reused the most lyrics. Like, out of anybody in Bone that's reused their rhymes, Lazy's been the one that's been most guilty of it. I've heard this rhyme like 2 or 3 times. Never knew better. Well, he flipped it up a little bit. Bang, bang. I forgot Fletch was on this. Yo, Fletch do not get his love. Fletch do not get the proper love and respect that he need out of Bone. Because he got locked up for all them damn years. And his body working, it's not enough. But he needs more respect. He need more propers. Why ain't switch over? What the hell? OBS? You wildin'. It's supposed to be like this. Ah, man, come on, OBS. Cut it out. Up them draws and hanging them balls in Cleveland. Watching my back when I been through my city, cause nigga, it ain't the same. Got a good aim, but I smoke and make tank, make crap, but we came doing everyday things. Hey, I'm on the car up, when it up, let's slide up. Every time I fall up, y'all, I started this heartless darkness page. Well,
but I can't escape my ways. I'm in a gauge and a ready slave. Rip this slip right back in the days.
Yeah, splash.
Feeling the pain, running this game insane to the brain, remaining the same.
It's an everyday thing when you let your nuts hang. Yeah, let your nuts hang, man. Don't wear no boxers. Let them shits hang. Ooh, poppin' in me, clippin' me, come to kill you. Yo, they made murder sound so beautiful, yo. You listen to these, look at this harmony. You hear that harmony? They put their foot in this. Wait, they're not done. They put their foot in this. Yo, I love Bone, man. I love Bone. They the greatest. They the greatest rap group ever, man. Ain't nobody close to Bone, man. Ain't nobody close to Bone. I heard Tony Ayo was on My Expert Opinion talking about G-Unit's the best rap group ever. Nah, it's Bone, nigga. Like Math Hopper said, what about Wu-Tang? And they was like, Wu-Tang got 9 niggas. But nah, yeah, they be sleeping on Bone, man. Ain't nobody do as a group, working together as a group, as all together coming as one, ain't nobody do it like Bone. Maybe MOP, but that's only 2 cats. But for 5 people to come together, ooh, poppin' in me, clip and me, come to kill you, and each have an octave. Come on, man. Come on, man. That's Bone Thugs and Harmony, everyday thing, produced by DJ Unique, man. That's the joint right there. Let's end that. Baby.